Welcome to ArborSafe Tutorial 2, a basic tour of your home screen. In this video, we will give you a basic tour of your home screen and show you the basic functions you can perform with the software. Once you've logged in, your home screen should look like this, with an image of the site you've chosen to view. Beginning at the top left of the screen, you can see the software version number displayed. Next, you should see either the word connected in green or offline in red. If it says connected, it means you're on a live server, therefore you can make and save changes to your site. If it says offline, you can still view your site, but the changes you make will not save. To become connected or save changes, you will need to connect to a reliable internet source. The Site List button enables you to switch between sites if you have more than one. To do this, click the button and simply select which site you would like to view, and then click Go to Site, which will then load on your desktop. To close this, click the X on the top right-hand corner. The Sync All Changes button allows you to save any changes you've made. You can only sync changes if you're connected to the internet. Depending on your internet connection speed, it should only take a few seconds. To log out of your site, click the Log Out button. Make sure you've synced any changes before logging out. At the top right of your screen under the banner, you'll see some general information about your site, including the site name, username, and how many trees are assessed on the site. Moving to the top left-hand side of the screen, if you want to zoom in or out, you can press the minus or the plus. Alternatively, you can enable gesture zoom here in your settings, which will allow you to zoom in and out using your mouse wheel. For a 1:1 ratio of your site, click this one. Your scale is in the bottom left of your map. It's a little difficult to see here, but you can see here 20-meter scale. You can also zoom in to any of the site trees using your site tree list. Simply click Show Tree on Map, and here we have tree number 1, which will always be the middle of your screen. If we zoom in further, it will come in closer to that tree 1. To return to the full screen, click Fit, and there we go. At any stage when you've zoomed into your map, you can click your left-hand mouse button and hold and simply move around the site, like so, and click Fit, and the whole site appears again. This blank box is a search field where you can type in specific tree numbers. When typing the numbers, insert a number and put a space between each number, and then click Search. The trees will then appear on your map. If you're searching for a group of trees, you can type individual numbers or groups such as 12 to 24, using a dash in between, and click Search. Only the trees that you've chosen will appear on your map. Again, to view these trees positioned within your entire site, click Fit. The next box is the Advanced Search box. This is where you can really refine your display, depending on what you want to search for. You can search for trees based on a range of tree data: your heights, DBH, health, structure, age, life expectancy. On the right-hand side, you can search according to defects, significance, arborist actions, comments an arborist may have made, tree risk, and you can also search for common name or botanical name. This is an example of finding all your critical, urgent, and high-risk trees. Let's click critical, urgent, high, and then click search. This criteria of trees now appear on your screen. To show all the trees again, click on Show All. This refreshes your screen to show all the trees on your site. For a more in-depth description of using the search tabs, please watch the How to Search for Specific Trees tutorial. However, if you happen to forget how to search, run the mouse over this question mark and you'll find some suggestions. The Add New Tree button allows you to add a new tree to the system. However, this is rarely used by clients and mostly a function of your assessing arborist. To find out more about this function, watch the Adding New Trees tutorial. Your site map faces north as a default, but if you wish to rotate your view, simply use these buttons to adjust. If you wish to return to the original north-facing map, click the compass button. The tabs on either side of your screen give you more detailed information and functions. To the left of your screen, clicking on the Tree List tab allows you to view a detailed list of the trees on your site. You will be able to see the tag number, species of tree, and its risk. By clicking on the headings here, you can view the tree species in alphabetical order or the tree risk from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. To return to viewing the trees in the correct order, click on the tree number heading. When you click on a tree you wish to view, let's choose this one, it will drop down to show you an image of the species and an option to either show the tree on the map, like so, or to show the ongoing assessment details for that tree. When you click this button, the tree's data window will appear. This shows you the specific information for that tree, including any works that have been completed. For a more detailed description of understanding this function, please watch the Understanding Your Tree Data tutorial. We close it by clicking the X. And we close this by clicking the X. The sitemap shows all your assessed trees with colored tree icons, denoting their risk category and tree numbers, which relate to the physical tags on the trees in your site. If you double-click on a particular tree, you can view that tree's assessment data. Let's click on this one. This is the same assessment data window accessed previously in the Data List tab. To close these tabs, click on the X on the top right-hand corner. To the right of the screen, you will find the Reports tab. Simply click to open it. At the top, the Print Map snapshot allows you to print a site map of all your trees or those that you've searched for and selected. The Print HQ map allows you to print a map of your site without any tree numbers or icons on it. Details on how to print or export maps can be found in the specific tutorial on this subject. This tab also enables you to view and print a range of charts and reports relating to your site. That's the list of charts and a list of reports. The reports can be created in PDF or as Excel files, which can be either exported or printed. There's also a range of guides and forms you can access to help you managing your trees, which can be exported as PDFs or printed. You can also upload documents that relate to the whole site by utilizing the site-specific documents section. This is covered in more detail in the tutorial on this particular subject. For a more in-depth description on how to utilize these charts and reports, please watch the How to Interpret Charts and Reports tutorial. The settings for your site are found by clicking on the Settings button. They are automatically set to a default setting. The settings you may want to change at times are Details labels, and turn this on and turn this off. Your assessment number, you can turn this on off. You may also want to show remove trees. You will also need to click on this button when you're running a work report history. This is explained further in the Printing Reports tutorial. We close up the settings by clicking this X. Let's get our site back in view, clicking Fit, and I think we're done. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email shown on this screen.